Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we decided to visit Blue Mountains, which is approximately 2 hours 20 minutes drive away from Toronto. Blue Mountains is famous for recreational activities for all seasons. In winters, it's famous for skiing and snowboarding. This is the village. Take a stroll around. There is a lot going during winters, and don't forget to try the beaver tails. After you walk past coffee shops, restaurants, bars and other shops, you will come to this kind of center point. Try out some chocolates. Hang around for some great food. You have a lot of good options around here too. Also, don't forget to say hi to Santa or sing the Christmas carol. We planned this trip for 2 days. On day 1 to explore the village and day 2 for skiing. We could not find reservations at Blue Mountains. The ones available were super expensive. So we decided to stay at Fairfield by Marriott in Aurelia, which is about an hour drive from the Blue Mountains. Also, the reason we stayed here was we had option to visit Horseshoe, another spot for skiing, or Wasaga Beach. Drive back to Blue Mountains from Aurelia is beautiful. You will love the countryside landscape. Parking space is available I think from 6 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. This was the first time we were skiing, so we took the newbie ski package for $124 plus taxes. Wow, skiing is tough. I lost count of how many times I fell. It's exhausting and I'm glad we kept skiing for day 2. It was dark when we went for Ridge Coaster ride, but it was fun. one final look of the village before we hit the road home. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.